Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about daily crypto market update, and we will figure out is it bearish trend or any changes on the crypto market world. Let's move to trading view. Crypto heat map, all red, looks like crypto still red, still bearish trend. Let's move to charts and do technical review. If you want to learn more about TradingView setup, go to the description. There is the link about TradingView setup training and other links about all my trainings. Also, let me tell you briefly about my current setup. I'm using moving averages, white line 200, yellow line 20, 10, red one and green one 5, buy and sell script, volume indicator, MACD indicator, Fibonacci and RSI indicator, RSI yellow line. That's all very simple. It's not easy because of your emotions involved. But if you train yourself to control your emotions and follow the indicators, because indicators do not have emotions, you will be successful. Also, I'm using 4 hours and daily time frame for entry and exit position for my swing trading. That's all. Very simple. Let's start at Bitcoin Cash daily. Bitcoin Cash daily. As of now, minus almost 1%. And MA5 did bearish crossover. Sell signal in the script. Last bar below 20. It is bearish trend. Bearish trend. MACD red. Bearish crossover. Bearish trend. Fibonacci red. RSI did bearish crossover over Fibonacci. Bearish trend on all indicators on daily time frame for Bitcoin. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. Same sell signal on the script. Last bar touched MA200. White line is MA200. It can bounce from MA200 because MA200 can be strong support in this case. Especially it's far from 20. Last bar far from 20. You see this case. It was far from 20. It came back to MA20. It always, when it's disconnected from MA20, it always wants to connect back to MA20. So far, it's far and it's kind of sits at the MA200. But MA200 flat, not uptrend anymore. It's a flat. MACD in the negative territory, in the bearish territory, bearish trend, also Fibonacci red and RSI in the oversold territory, RSI. It's building bullish divergences. Let me show you. I showed you yesterday. It was, look at it, price action is downtrend. On RSI, we have bullish divergence. Look at it, right? Not on MACD, MACD, yeah, no divergences. It's kind of, in the histogram, it's flat. Yeah, it's a flat on histogram, but on RSI, it has bullish divergences already. It's building bullish divergences. Bearish trend on 4 hours time frame. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, price action still downtrend. Still bearish. Yeah, it was bullish kind of, and it came back to bearish. Still bearish, below all moving averages. Far from 200 moving averages, but still bearish trend. MA20 downtrend, it is bearish. Sell signal in the script. Bearish trend direction. Fibonacci red bearish. And it has bullish divergences. Look at it on the RSI. Let me show you. You see, started from here. It's kind of uptrend direction on the RSI. On RSI, even from here, if you move to here, from this point, it's an uptrend. Price action downtrend, bullish divergence on 1 hour time frame. It means Bitcoin wants to have some bullish correction on the 1 hour and 4 hours time frame, but it's still bearish trend. It's building bullish divergences for some correction, some positive correction, bullish correction, but trend still bullish. Let's move to Bitcoin Cash, daily time frame. Sell signal on the script, MA5 did bearish crossover over 10, bearish trend, bearish signal. Last bar below 20, 5 and 10, it's a bearish direction. MACD red, bearish. Fibonacci red, bearish. RSI bearish crossover in a bearish territory. Bearish trend on daily time frame for Bitcoin Cash. 4 hours time frame. And remember, we don't fight with the trend direction, we just follow the trend direction. If it's sell trend, negative trend, bearish trend direction, we stay in the bearish direction. Very simple. MA20 ready for bearish crossover over 200, it is bearish direction. But remember, last bar, kind of far from 20 and 200, it's definitely oversold and it wants to connect back to 20. MACD, bearish, red color in the negative territory, but RSI, look at it. It's in minus 36, it's oversold territory. Fibonacci red, bearish trend. As of now, it's oversold territory. Last bar wants to connect back to 20. It can move back to 20, touch the 200 and reject it. But so far, no reversal signal, still bearish. 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it was kind of neutral. It was sell signal. And recently, in last 3 hours, it changed from buy to sell. Again, 1 hour time frame, it's a short time frame. It's again sell signal. And now it's below 200 and kind of again far from last bar, far from 20. It definitely wants to connect back to 20. Similar story, some bullish divergence, right? Price action downtrend, MACD and RSI already uptrend. Let me show you MACD lines, MACD histogram uptrend, RSI uptrend also, bullish divergence. Look at it, RSI same, bullish divergence on 1 hour time frame for Bitcoin Cash. It wants to have some correction. Still negative, still bearish trend. Let's see Ethereum daily. Ethereum daily, it was bullish, and yesterday it switched trend from bullish to bearish, sell signal, MA5 ready for bearish crossover, last bar stopped it at MA20. MACD did bearish crossover, Fibonacci, RSI did bearish crossover, bearish trend for Ethereum on daily time frame. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame, it's a sell signal, bearish trend, last bar far from 20, MACD still bearish, Fibonacci bearish, RSI bearish, it's an oversold territory, but still bearish trend direction. 1 hour time frame for Ethereum. 1 hour time frame for Ethereum, it was buy mode, but now it's still sell signal from last hour. It touched, you see it was oversold, it moved back to 20, touched 20, 20 was resistant and was rejected, and now it's back to the sell mode. But MACD green bullish, Fibonacci red bearish again. It's again building bullish divergences on 1 hour time frame for Ethereum, but still trend bearish with bullish divergences on short time frame. Let's move to Ethereum Classic daily time frame. Ethereum Classic daily time frame, like I told you before, it did bullish crossover. MA5, 10 and 20 did bullish crossover over 200. It was positive, but because SMA 200 was downtrend and it's still downtrend, it is negative direction. Looks like all moving averages would like to bring back below 200. It will be fully bearish trend. So far it's still above, but it turned back to negative direction. Sell signal on the script, last bar below all moving averages, it's a bearish, MACD did bearish crossover, red signal, Heikanaichi, red bearish, RSI bearish crossover, bearish trend direction on daily time frame. Bearish trend direction on daily time frame. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame, similar story, all bars below 200, it is bearish, MA5 and 10 below 200, and MA20 already ready for bearish crossover over 200. It is bearish trend direction. MACD red bearish, Heikanaichi red bearish, and RSI in oversold negative territory. Bearish trend direction. 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, similar like other cryptos. Sell signal on the script, it was rejected from MA20. Kind of last bar far from 20. Looks like it wants to connect to 20, but still bearish. MACD still bearish, Heikanaichi red bearish, RSI bearish on oversold territory. Similar, it already built bullish divergence. Bullish divergence on the MACD. Look at it, MACD uptrend. But it can be destroyed because it's a 1 hour time frame. It's very short, small time frame. This divergence can be destroyed because if the price action will move lower, it can be move lower divergence on the MACD and Heikanaichi and RSI. Still bearish trend with bearish divergence on 1 hour time frame. ADE Cardano minus 3.5%. Sell signal in the script daily time frame. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10, bearish trend. MACD red, bearish crossover. Heikanaichi red bars, RSI did bearish crossover. Bearish trend on all indicators. Sell signal on the script. Bearish trend. Bearish trend on daily time frame. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame. Sell signal on the script. MA5 did bearish. MA5 10 did bearish crossover over 20. It's a bearish signal. MACD red bearish. Heikanaichi red bearish and RSI in the negative territory minus 35%. It's oversold in the bearish territory. On 4 hours time frame, let's move to 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, exactly same story like other cryptos. Bearish trend, bearish price action, last bar far from 20. MACD already built bullish divergence. Like I said, on 1 hour time frame, it can be destroyed if price action will continue to move lower because it's a 1 hour time frame. Short time frame can be destroyed. But looks like it wants to have some correction on 1 hour time frame because it's oversold in all on 1 hour time frame on RSI. Bullish divergences, multiple bullish divergences on 1 hour time frame. That's all. Let's do summary. Like I said, Bitcoin as of now, minus 1% on Bitcoin. On the Bitcoin Cash, minus 1.5%. Ethereum positive, 0.5% positive. Ethereum Classic, minus 2%. ADE Cardano, minus 4%. On daily and 4 hours time frame, actually on all time frames, 1 hour daily and 4 hours, all cryptos negative bearish trend direction. On 1 hour time frame, they already built some bullish divergences. Only Bitcoin on 4 hours time frame, I believe it built also bullish divergence on the RSI. That's what we have. And on 1 hour time frame and 4 hours time frame, they all on oversold territory on RSI. Looks like it can be some bounce and could be some correction because all crypto oversold on the short time frame. But trend still bearish on all indicators. That's what we have as of today. Be careful if you are still bullish. Trend already changed from bullish to bearish. Bars below 20. You have to be aware about that, and if you don't trust bearish trend, just get out to stay in the cash and wait for the correction. Wait for change trend direction to bullish. So far, trend is bearish on all indicators. You cannot fight with the trend of the market. You can only follow the trend. It's like river stream. You can follow the stream and you will be successful. That's all. Thank you so much. Let's move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. And remember, for educational purpose, we are using paper trading account. Thank you for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. Please subscribe for YouTube channel and click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate all your help and support on all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.